The Pathan shepherd to his love, by Christopher Marlowe.
The Nymphs reply to the Shepherd, by Sir Walter Raleigh.
Come, live with me and be my love, and we will all the pleasures prove, that bodies, grooves, hills and fields, woods the city among the hills, and we,
If, all the world and love were young, and truth in every shepherd's tongue, these pretty pleasures might we move, to live with thee and be thy love.
we will sit upon the rocks, singing the shepherd with their flocks.
Their flocks, flying back the flocks from field to fold.
By shallow rivers whose flows,
When rivers rage and rocks grow cold,
we live with birds,
and will melt,
singing madrigals,
become and dumb, the rest of life of cares to come.
and I will make the beds of roses,
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 the flowers to fade,
and thousands like young roses,
and wanton fields,
and wanton fields.
to wayward winter reckoning yields.
A cup of flowers and a miracle,
A honey tongue, a heart of God.
embroidered all the dreams of murder. A gown made of mighty gold, with our pretty lamps we pull. Pearl and silver for the old, with buckles of the purest gold.
They gowns, they shoes, they beds of roses. They gowns, they shoes, they beds of roses. They cap, they kirtle, and they poses. Soon withered, soon forgotten. In fallen light, in reason rotten.
A bell,
A straw,
a bell of straw,
and 90 bats,
and 90 bats,
with coral glass,
and ambersands. A bell of straw, and 90 bats, with coral glass and ambersands.
They belt of straw, and ivy buds, with coral dust, and ambersands. This place is my
Make you move. Come, live with me and be my love.
all the cities roses can have flowers can have flowers can come to thee and be thy love.
the shepherd's wing shall,
The shepherd's great child, dance and sing, dance and sing, dance and sing. With this delight,
This delight, but could youth last and love still breed, had choice no day, nor age no need, then this delight.
thy mind may move,
But could youth last and love still breed, had choice no day, nor age no need. The Passionate Shepherd to his love, by Christopher Marlowe.
and make reply to the shepherd, by Sir Walter Raleigh.
Indonesia.